It's my first time of making mocktail, and I'm going to make blue pina colada. Look at it. So these are the ingredients I'm using. Using this thing that makes it blue. I can't call it. I don't want to spoil my mouth. And then popcorn syrup and pina colada mixture. And then in the glass I have pineapple and coconut juice. See, the truth is, if you've ever thought I cannot make anything, see, I'm making a mocktail for you. So don't give up on me, you feel me? So with every of this syrup, I went in with 10 ml, and all of them 10 ml. You can see me putting them into it. To be sincere, this guguru syrup tastes just like guguru, I mean popcorn. So after that, I use 60 ml of the pineapple juice. Don't forget that I definitely will wash my hand before doing anything, so I've done that. You saw it, and I'm adding ice block to mix it. I'm shake your body. So that's what I'm saying. I'm shaking my shaker. So that's it. And now I'm prepping the glass, pouring it inside to give Hubby. Really, I didn't remember to video what he said. It was really nice. It was heaven and earth. Please don't give up on me. If there's a reason